How to convert PowerPoint Pptx to PDF on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can convert Pptx file to PDF on Android device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all you have to do is install Microsoft 365 in your Android device. For that, open up Play Store. Head towards the search icon at the bottom right, and in the search bar, search for Microsoft 365. After that, you have to install the Microsoft 365 in your device. After the installation, open up the application and you may need to log in with your Microsoft account. Once you're logged in, head towards the bottom right corner and tap on Apps. Now, tap on PDF Tools at the top of this interface. Here, you will see various of options. Since we want to convert Pptx to PDF, we will select an option as Document to PDF and tap on it. Now from here, select your Pptx file. For example, I have this Pptx file right here. Tap on it and wait for a few seconds until your Pptx file gets converted into PDF. So here your Pptx file has been converted into the PDF. If you want to save it, tap on the interface, tap on the more from the bottom right, and here tap on save as, and then save in your preferred location in your device. And that's how you can convert PowerPoint Pptx to Android or to PDF on Android. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.